Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wood chisel that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Stanley 16 to 150 series short blade 3-piece wood chisel set. Marrying the old with the new is a perfect way to ensure that something does not go out of style completely. Though there are so many mechanized options that can get the job done, products like the Stanley 16 to 150 series short blade 3-piece wood chisel set ensure that users still make use of more traditional means. This 3-piece set offers an overall design that enables comfort while offering up the efficiency every user expects. What's even better is that it is practically a steal for its value. With its heat-tempered carbon steel blades, it offers up sturdiness to cut through wood and the promise of durability as you continue to use it. In order to ensure further longevity, the blades are lacquer-coated to guard against rust. Though these are short blades, the handles come full-sized and are shock-absorbent to brave through the work at hand. Our guide to the best drill presses features more great products for your tool collection. Moving on, at number 4, we have the VonHaus 6% Craftsman Woodworking Wood Chisel Set. Now, here is a full-on set that can spur many carpentry and DIY projects alike. From the packaging to the contents of the kit itself, the VonHaus 6% Craftsman Woodworking Wood Chisel Set offers up quality and class. The set contains a total of 4 full-tang wood chisels that come in different shapes and sizes. Each of them is fitted with chrome vanadium steel alloy blades, specially heat-treated for sturdiness. The blades are equally equipped with a ground finish in conjunction with narrow side bevels. Its handle comes in the form of a shock-absorbent polypropylene plastic handle which makes for a firm and comfortable grip. At number 3, we have the Stanley 16 to 401 Bailey Wood Chisel Set. Everyone who is anyone knows that Stanley blades are on a level of their own. That is why it is no surprise that this product is packed with features that set it above its competitors. The Stanley 16 to 401 Bailey Chisel Set comes in a classic design that stays true to values that have kept the brand up and going for years. This 5-piece set comes in a leather pouch that already offers up whispers of the high-quality products situated within it. If you are tired of having to sharpen your chisels right out of the box, then this is the option for you. It is equipped with micro-precision grind, which directly translates to a high level of sharpness from the moment it is delivered. Additionally, the fact that the blade is made out of high-quality carbon steel ensures that it retains that sharpness for quite some time. At number 2, we have the PSI Woodworking LCHSS8 HSS Wood Lathe Chisel Set. Regardless of your level of expertise, this product is sure to work seamlessly to ensure that your vision is transferred into tangible workmanship. It offers up the legit promise of being well suited for turning pens and for even larger projects on lathes of any size. Based on this, there is no doubt that the PSI Woodworking LCHSS8 HSS Wood Lathe Chisel Set is just what the doctor ordered. Contained in the set is a total of 8 chisels that reek of elegance and all-around efficiency. Its M2 high-speed steel blades are so sturdy that they could probably outlast any high-carbon steel option on the market. The handles themselves are made of a durable and equally attractive hardwood. Keep in your toolbox. And finally, at number 1, we have the Narex Woodworking Chisels. Quality, it is something that every craftsman should look out for and covet. If it could be embodied in a set of chisels, they would undoubtedly be the Narex Woodworking Chisels. Fashioned in Central Europe, specifically Czech Republic, this chisel set is known for its unrivaled quality. The set contains a total of 4 blades that are made from a fine-grained, yet nicely tempered chrome manganese steel. To ensure that it lives up to its self-acclaimed standard, the steel is further hardened to RC 59. Despite the fact that they may need sharpening right out of the box, these blades are fashioned in such a way that they are easy to sharpen, and they equally stay sharp for as long as possible. To crown it all, they are all accurately ground and possess the slim cross-section that is coveted by all woodworkers alike.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.